Hi, welcome! We will paint a beautiful landscape. Let's get started. First, let's draw a beautiful house. You can easily do this by following. House door and windows. It will be very nice. We will make very beautiful paintings. Do not miss the end. I will make a big tree. You can do this too. Let's listen to new music. I hope you like it. A happy sun. Wonderful. Hooray! We are moving on to painting. If you like the music, can you subscribe? I love the color green. I'm sure you do too. Shall we listen to a new song? Listen to this. I hope you are having fun. looks like a real tree.
Wow!
Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.